Hey guys, welcome back to TFBTV Showtime. I'm Luke C, and I'm here at TriggrCon 2024 with Jake from Mantis. And you guys will know Mantis for their, I guess it's training aids, right?
Oh yeah.
Firearm training aids, pistols, rifles, AR-15s, and now the AK, baby. Yeah. So this is new for you guys. I understand it's kind of still in like a, maybe like semi-development.
This is pre-production. Yep, okay. Yep. So we've got molds done, we've got bolts ready to go, stuff like that. Just some final tweaks. We're getting worked through the cracks, and then we'll have these ready to go and roll out for everybody.
Right.
So, yeah.
Okay, so for those of you who don't know, this is based on the Blackbeard system.
Blackbeard system.
And so what's the Blackbeard system?
Yeah, so it's a dry fire reset system for your rifle. That's always been a big deal for everyone in the training community. Is we don't want to go buy dummy guns and things like that. So we want it in your gun to be able to get your trigger group, your furniture, your optics setup, everything, and just be able to do dry presses as often as you want. So,
right. And this system kind of adds a layer of safety too, because it's impossible with the laser inside the gun to load. Like you can load a loaded magazine in there, but it's not going to go anywhere.
The bolt, the magazine, all of it, it's all, it's dummy. So you can't load anything real into it. Law enforcement, military use it for force on force, stuff like that. So it's completely safe. Yeah.
Okay, so with the laser installed and the reset system, that it resets your trigger, so you're able to constantly shoot. But there's additional features beyond just like seeing a laser on your target that make this kind of like a more robust training system.
Yeah. So our shooting performance sensor is what's built into the bottom of the magazine. So you can link this up to our free MantisX pistol rifle app.
Yep.
And that is constantly streaming all of the muzzle movement and all the vibration data into the app. And the app can read all that and give you feedback on your fundamentals, things you need to be working on, like your cheek weld, your trigger pull, all that's in there.
Okay.
And on top of that, there's a bunch of sick drills that you can run. So and free courses too.
So, so that's the courses you're talking about. That's the Mantis Academy, right?
The Laser Academy is different from this, but it's the same concept, right? So it gives you these like step-by-step drills that you need to run each time, and tells you how to incorporate that into your daily training regimens and things like that. And the courses are just like stacked versions of the drills to be able to like put it all together and give you like, here's a basic introduction to rifle, here's advanced, here's, so you can go all the way through the list that way. Yeah.
And then again, with AKs, so like with the Blackbeard and like some of your other Mantis stuff, like what's the install process like? Do I need to modify my gun?
Dude, it's 20 seconds. All right. So for AK or even like the Blackbeard X for AR, you're just taking your charging handle bolt carrier group out. The bolt drops right in, locks in, the mag, just like a regular mag.
Rock and lock?
Rock and lock. You hear it, zoom up, put it on fire, start shooting, and you're good to go. That's it.
And I know everyone's I'm not a huge AK nerd, but I know all the AK nerds out there are going to ask which patterns of AKs and which types of AKs is this going to be?
All of them.
All of them.
It does, seriously. So right now we've got the 47 bolt in, 47. It'll be 47, M, 74, whatever the setup is. We've had a lot of people ask us about like the 5.56 setups and how that's going to work.
5.56, 5.45.
Yeah, as long as the receiver is an AK receiver designed for a 47 or a 74 bolt, you're going to be good to go.
Galil?
I don't know about that out of the gate.
Not yet.
As these get into the wild, we want more and more on board. So everything's possible in the future.
Awesome. And then we talked about this a little bit yesterday when I first saw this. I don't like changing out batteries and stuff, so this comes with an onboard rechargeable battery.
Yeah. USB-C rechargeable.
Okay.
So at your first charge, it'll take a little while. It's like 6 to 8 hours to get her fully juiced up, but it's 50,000 trigger presses after that. So you can squeeze the trigger forever, and then when you're done at night or whatever, put it back on the charger, and it'll be ready to go next time.
So like that works like if I'm going to do full auto practice, can I...
It works full auto, yes.
It does, no, it really does work full auto.
Honest to God, yeah.
So if you have like a...
If you got the sear, the trip, anything like that, you're good to go. Yeah.
That's insane.
Force reset triggers, binary.
I mean, obviously...
we want to be... You're training in your gun. That's
I could get realistic recoil data from that, but like it'll... I mean, that's fun. So 60,000 trigger presses.
Yeah, 50.
50? Okay.
Yeah, in there. It depends on how
I can't count, so I mean, like, I think by that time I would be...
A ton.
Yeah.
A ton.
That's all day. That's all day.
A ton of shooting. Yeah.
And finally, Jake, what are we talking about in terms of price and availability?
Yeah.
I know that, it's coming. Right now, this is pre-production.
It's pre-production, but we want to stay on pace with what we're already doing for all the AR guys. So we're hoping to be in that $350 ballpark range for everything you see right now.
Cool. I mean, That's amazing. Like I know, like you guys have been doing a lot of pistol stuff, and the AR was kind of like a natural progression from that. I'm excited for this because I do like AKs, and I think this is a great way to get people to get more reps in at home.
Yes,
you know,
sure.
get more training in. Go train. Spend less money on like more guns. Just train with the guns that you guys do have.
Yes. No. 100%. That's the idea, right? Like, I want to own 1,000 guns, but you know, the ones that I have are perfect, and when I'm really good with these, then I'm good to go with everything else. So.
Right on. And where can people go pick one up?
Yeah, Blackbeards and X10s, everything we've got. MantisX.com. Go check it out.
Awesome. Jake, thank you so much for coming on the show and showing us the new Blackbeard for the AK. Guys, stay tuned to TFBTV and TFBTV Showtime for more from TriggrCon 2024.